Okay, here we go. This is our Black Friday special number 1. We're going to have a couple. We have 20 fabrics. They're all $14.99. They are Christian Serrano. Christian Serrano is the designer of all these fabrics. Liz in New York, I know most of you don't know her, but anyway, she coordinated all these colors for us so that they all coordinate together. This is just going to be so much fun. Okay, so hopefully you're ready. Here we go. We're going to start with fabric number 8724. I'm not going to try to remember these numbers because I never will. Isn't this beautiful? All the details will be on each fabric. So I just want you to be able to see the fabrics. You know, this is like our little YouTube, and I don't want to be here for a long time because I don't want to take up your time. So we're going to start with that one. The next one, this is like a slinky knit, Christian Serrano. It's a black and silver. It's beautiful. Be a great little chic dress. Oh my goodness gracious. The next one, this is a tan, Pontoroma. But if you notice, it goes beautiful with this next one. Look at the colors together. They're just beautifully done. This is a woven. So like I said, just follow along. All I really want to do is show you the fabric itself and the drape. I put it next to a black. I didn't, Liz did, because of course everybody needs a great black. This is 100% cotton. I told you I wasn't going to tell you the fabric things, and then I do. But look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And I'm going to tell you something, y'all. These are just pretty. I'll take a picture of each one so that there'll be a close-up picture so that you can see. This is a twill. It's 100% cotton. It's stretched in both directions. And it's just, look at the match to this. She did a beautiful job of matching these. And of course, it also goes with this one, which is next to it. And again, I'll take pictures so you can find your way through. I just want to show you the drape. Look at this, is a stretch velvet, but it's a burnout. It's beautiful. This is a burgundy. This is a scuba. It's called burgundy on the tag. The next one here goes with it beautifully. Look at these together. I think the value of these, I mean, not just that they're $14.99, but just how beautifully they're paired. Look at this one with the royal. It's just perfect together. This is a stretch velvet. This royal, oh, it's so pretty together. And then this is a sheer, and you can see that with the royal or with the navy would be also beautiful. This one also is a stretch velvet. Aren't these gorgeous? They're so much fun. $14.99, you guys. This is a Black Friday. This is a giveaway. This is an emerald green. And then what she paired, Pontoroma, there's a Pontoroma, and then what she paired with it is, look at this floral. Just a beautiful, it's a border that goes all over. But that emerald is just really lovely together. Navy blue velvet, stretch in both directions. Stretch in one direction. See, that's why I can't say it because I'm not right on it. Again, Christian Serrano. And look at this with it. Is that a beautiful piece of fabric? To go with that blue velvet, just absolutely stunning cotton poly. But even these polys, this is an olive green Pontoroma. So $14.99 everything. You guys, happy Thanksgiving, happy shopping, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.